Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna make a homemade body wash. It's gonna keep us nice and hydrated. It's got simple ingredients in it. Let's make. For this recipe, I'm going to use fractionated coconut oil. I got this at Sprouts. I'm sure you can find it at Whole Foods, definitely online. If you can't get this, you can use regular coconut oil. If it hardened, go ahead and melt it before you start the recipe, okay? I'm gonna put a link at the bottom of the video so that you can purchase these things if you want through Amazon. I get paid a small commission, and thank you for that. By the way, fractioned oil does not solidify, it stays liquid. We're also gonna use Castile soap. This soap is from the Castile area originally in Spain, and it used to be made out of olive oil always. Now they mix it. This one in particular has coconut oil and it has olive oil in it, plus other things, okay? But it's a very mild soap and it's good for your skin. So I'm gonna mix a 1/4 cup of this oil with 1/2 cup of aloe vera gel. Add a 1/4 cup of unfiltered raw honey. You can choose to add some scent to this with some essential oil. I got myself some grapefruit because I love it. But if you don't want to scent it, that's fine. Add about 10 drops. Finally, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of that soap. I'm gonna add it in slowly. I don't want it to start to bubble, okay, or foam. This is a beautiful body wash. You've got the soothing aloe vera. You've got the, moisturizing and protecting honey in there. It's antibacterial. Of course, you have the coconut oil, which is very, very good for your skin. So, all in all, this is great. I got myself a little bottle yesterday at Target, and now I'm gonna fill it with my soap. All right, guys, here's our soap. It'll last me for weeks. Go ahead and use the leftover soap. Oh, I can feel it. So soft on my skin. All right, I'm gonna go rinse this off and I'll come back. I don't even need to put any lotion on. My skin is super soft. You can use this for your whole body, including your face. Guys, if you haven't subbed yet, and you would, I'd really appreciate it. If you like this video, a like, a comment, and a share. That'd be awesome. Don't forget to turn on your notification button. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.